This video tutorial I will explain auto-increment field in SQL. Here you can see employee table and it has employee ID column which is primary key, and in this column auto-increment keyword is applied. So whenever we insert one record in employee table, automatically unique value will be generated for employee ID column, and by default auto increment is 1. So whenever we insert one new record in employee table, it will be increment by 1. We will see the example now. Here you can see employee table and it does not have any record. I am going to insert 3 records in employee table, and we will see how employee ID is generated automatically. And each query I am passing employee name and age, and I am not specifying the employee ID, which will be auto generated. We will see that. And here you can see the employee ID is auto generated. Next we will see how to update the auto increment value. Using this query we can do alter table employee auto increment 100. And here you can see auto increment is 100. I am inserting 2 records, and you can see the auto increment value is 100. So it generated 100 and 101 for these 2 new records. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.